Yep. Welcome back to the special edition of the Train Expert channel. We're going crossing the bridge. We're at the we're passing Petroleum Center Station in just a couple of minutes. Let's check it out. Let's roll it. I'll keep the cameras rolling here until we pass the station. I just want to see the derricks there too as I start the film.
There's, hey, Cece right here. Cece. There's, you guys want popcorn? So hey, don't Weston, they're up there. There's an open gate. Oh, okay. Well, Timothy wanted to go come and get you so you could see. Okay. Okay, but hold on. I gotta walk to the back and ask your sisters.
Just get them one. You know they're going to want it. Whether they want it or not.
All right, I will.
I wasn't filming the trailer. I'm trying to keep the cameras rolling until.
You don't want water or anything? Do you want me to
Yeah, I'll
send
get some to drink. They'll help you with Harry. I don't think they're coming back if they got a window seat up there.
No, they're just saying to open the post office.
Turn the cameras this way so we can get that Petroleum Center. There it is. Yeah, there is a detour over there too. Because the bridge over there is out. Got some more fishermen over there as well.
Yeah, so enough running. But now you can sit there and run it back. You take back to the Mexican popcorn. Like you sit down.
Trying to get.
Sit here till come back to the popcorn, then you can go back. I don't know.
There's the OC&T's conductor passing there. Not the original, not the one inside the engine. It's the original conductor.
The ticket taker.
The ticket taker, not the actual conductor we seen back in the passenger train I got before we got on it. Come on.
This part of the train,
There we go.
this area I grew up in.
Keep the cameras rolling until they leave here. Kind of brightening down. Some more fishermen over there. Pretty good.
Where are we at?
There's a picnic pavilions over there too. Pretty good.
Oops, sorry.
Pretty good.
Hey, Mom, I was on my back south.
I got trouble.
You tell him she takes it.
There you go. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the final station. That will be Wren Farm. Talk to you later.